Ever wondered how to become a millionaire before 30? Well, it's not just about making smart investments or winning the lottery. At the heart of it all is the right mindset. Think about it. Every self-made millionaire out there started with a mindset shift. They embraced discipline, determination, and were not afraid to take calculated risks. They didn't just dream about becoming wealthy, they made it their mission. What does this mean for you? It means understanding that financial success doesn't happen overnight. It means setting clear, achievable financial goals and developing a solid plan to hit those targets. It's about holding yourself accountable, keeping your eye on the prize, and not being afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Remember, a millionaire's mindset isn't about short-term gain. It's about long-term growth and the relentless pursuit of success. So take a moment, reflect on what you truly want, and decide to make that shift today. The journey to $1 million starts with a single mindset shift. So, you have the mindset. Now, what's the plan? Well, let's break it down. First off, you've got to plant more seeds to grow more trees, so to speak. In other words, build multiple income streams. The more revenue highways you have, the faster you can speed towards your $1 million goal. Next up, invest wisely. Don't just save, grow your money. Invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. The key is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. And while you're at it, remember to live below your means. Rich isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep. But don't stop there. Equip yourself with financial education. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. Keep learning, keep growing. Remember, the road to millions is paved with knowledge and smart decisions. Now that you have the plan, it's time to put it into action. But remember, the road to becoming a millionaire isn't always paved with gold. There will be bumps, twists, and turns. It's the resilience and perseverance that will set you apart. You may feel like giving up when faced with setbacks, but the key is to stay focused, stay committed. Don't lose sight of your end goal. Each setback is a stepping stone, a lesson to learn, and an opportunity to refine your strategies. Remember, the most successful people aren't those who never fail, but those who never quit. And as you navigate your path, don't hesitate to seek advice. Surround yourself with successful people. Learn from their experiences, their successes, and their mistakes. Keep refining your strategies. Keep moving forward. Becoming a millionaire before 30 isn't a distant dream. It's a reality waiting for you to seize. Start your journey today.